There are many affiliate marketing tools available to website owners and publishers looking to drive traffic to their sites. But with so many options, it can be difficult to know which ones are the best. So in this video, I'll share some of the best affiliate marketing tools for driving traffic to your site. But before I jump into it, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money with affiliate marketing. This has helped thousands of ordinary people like me generate income online through affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description below this video and you can check it out. The first tool is Google AdWords. AdWords is a paid advertising service from Google that allows you to place ads on Google's search engine and other sites across the web. AdWords can be an effective way to drive traffic to your website, especially if you're targeting keywords that have high commercial intent, like people who are likely to buy something from your site. The second tool is Bing Ads. Bing Ads is similar type of paid advertising service from Microsoft that lets you place ads on Bing's search engine and other sites across the web. So like AdWords, Bing Ads can be an effective way to drive traffic to your website. The third tool is Facebook advertising. So Facebook allows you to place ads on its social network and other websites that use its ad network. Facebook advertising can be an effective way to reach a large audience with targeted messaging. In Facebook ads, you can actually target very specific groups of people that would be very interested in your product. The fourth tool is Twitter advertising. Twitter also offers a paid advertising platform that allows you to promote tweets and accounts on its social network and other websites that use its ad network. Twitter advertising can be used for promoting brand awareness or driving website traffic through links in tweets. The fifth tool is LinkedIn advertising. LinkedIn offers a different kind of paid advertising than other social networks like Facebook and Twitter. LinkedIn ads are text-based and placed in the middle or right column of LinkedIn pages, as opposed to being displayed in the user's news feeds like on Facebook or Twitter. LinkedIn ads can be effective for B2B companies looking to generate leads from professionals within their target industries. LinkedIn allows very granular targeting options, making it possible to reach individuals within specific job titles, industries, or even companies. Because LinkedIn users are usually high-income earners, LinkedIn tends to cost more per click than other social networks. The sixth tool is content marketing. Content marketing is a form of marketing focused on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a target audience online. The goal of content marketing is usually twofold. First, attract the attention of potential customers. Second, generate leads or sales conversions from those customers. Good content marketing requires ongoing effort. It's not going to be something that you could do once, then forget about it. But if done well, it can be an extremely effective way of driving traffic and conversions to your website over time. Plus, it can often be done for free. Tool number 7 is search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results for certain keywords or phrases. The higher your site ranks in SERP, search engine results, the more likely people are to find it when they search for those keywords or phrases. And since most internet users begin their online journeys by typing queries into search engines like Google or Yahoo, search engine SEO should be one of your top priorities when attempting to drive traffic to your website. The 8th tool is pay-per-click, PPC. PPC is another form of paid advertising where you pay each time someone clicks on one of your ads, whether through search engine display networks. PPC campaigns generally work by targeting specific keywords which you bid against other advertisers in order to appear in the coveted top spots. While bidding more doesn't always guarantee better results, increasing your bid budget could give you an edge over lower spending competitors. PPC campaigns require ongoing management, optimization, but they could provide some immediate results if done correctly. Number 9 is social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat provide unique opportunities to connect with potential customers where they already spend a lot of time online. You could post engaging content, run promotional campaigns, and use relevant hashtags to attract relevant users. These are all ways to increase your brand awareness and grow followings, eventually leading to increased web traffic. The 10th tool is email marketing. Email may seem like old news compared to some newer digital marketing channels out there, but don't discount its power. After all, email still boasts one heck of a return on investment. For every $1 spent, email marketing generates $38 worth of sales. What's more, email subscribers are 3 times more likely to convert than visitors on any other channel, including social media. Growing an email list does take time and consistent effort, but once you've built up a sizable list of subscribers and you're sending periodic emails, this could really drive them to your site over and over again. Well, there you go. Try one or more of these tools and see how it works for you. Now, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way and turn it into a full-time 6-figure income online using some of these tools, then check out the link in the description below this video for my #1 recommendation for getting started in affiliate marketing. It's the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing. It's the training and the mentorship from a team that has actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check out the link in the description below this video. No pressure, it's totally up to you. Take care.